So my son walks into the house the other day and says, "How come you never make lettuce wraps, Mom?" My jaw dropped, and I stood there so long with my mouth hanging open that he made the inevitable joke about catching flies. Smart Alec. Well, he's in for a shock tonight, because that's exactly what we're having for dinner, lettuce wraps. And it's so simple, you can even get the kids to help. All you need is lettuce leaves, your choice on what kind of lettuce. Just make sure to rinse and pat dry. That's a good job for the kids. Lean sliced meats, such as turkey or chicken breast. Cheese optional. Various fillings such as tomato, avocado, sprouts, cucumber, pickles, cooked rice, or quinoa. Various toppings like mustard, low-fat mayo, ketchup, and low-fat dressings. Then all you do is arrange it nicely on a platter and let everyone assemble their own. And even though so many people assume lettuce is good for you, most people don't bother to find out why. That it's absolutely loaded with vitamin K, which is needed by the body for blood clotting and other important processes. It's also got a lot of other vitamins and minerals like A, folate, manganese, and iron. And the good part about being the cook is that I get to taste test everything. So here goes. I think these are definitely going on the make at least once a month list. And since it was all my son's idea, he can do the dishes.